Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey Hub, the battleground where the under-11 Titans, Cricmax Cardinals and RRANJ Apex, clashed in a spectacle that brimmed with youthful zest and strategy.
Indeed, Ravish, it was as if David met Goliath in a cricketing duel, where every run, wicket, and ball stitched together a narrative befitting their Herculean efforts.
Like a thrilling scene straight out of a superhero flick, today's match was a testament to cricket's unpredictable charm. Cardinals' choice to bat first set the stage for an edge-of-the-seat thriller.
With each over unfolding like a gripping chapter, the Apex bowlers spun a web, and the Cardinals' batters fought valiantly. It was a narrative of twists where every run was gold.
Cardinals chirped a humble score, but it was the Bansode Blitz, capturing 5 wickets, that left spectators in awe, cricket's version of a stealthy coup.
Apex's bowlers danced to a rhythm of precision, orchestrating a symphony of dot balls and dismissals, leaving Cardinals to rely on extras to fortify their nest.
Apex, in pursuit, faced a tumultuous voyage against Cardinals' relentless bowling storm. Each strike by Neher and company spun the tale towards an unexpected climax.
Apex's bats faltered amidst Cardinals' bowling heroics, with Nahar's opening spell casting a spell, and Doshi's strikes serving as the final nails in the innings coffin.
Bansode's prowess with the ball was the highlight, a young wizard casting spells on the batsman. Neher and Doshi were the Cardinals' guardians, shielding their modest total with fierce spells.
These players emerged as the protagonists of the day, their performances etched in the annals of this under-11 saga, striking decisive blows that tipped the scales.
Cardinals saw, winning by a mere 3 runs. In a game where every moment swayed the fortunes, their keen edge with the ball etched the path to victory.
A breathtaking finish to a match where hearts raced and palms sweated, such is the beauty of cricket, where even the mightiest are but a whisker away from defeat. As the sun sets on today's epic, the Cardinals' jubilation and the Apex's resolve remind us that in cricket, passion and skill reign supreme in every age.
Truly a remarkable narrative that unfolded today. It is these encounters that sculpt the future legends of cricket. What a day for the Cardinals, a match to reminisce as they gear up for the next challenge.